Evaluating expressions. The objective of this video is to evaluate algebraic expressions using order of operations. So first we want to recall what order of operations mean. So press pause, try and simplify the expression below, and then press play to see if your answer is correct. Pause your video now. So you want to remember order of operations. G for grouping goes first. Because these two things are being grouped together, we will complete that first. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then we are going to apply order of operations within the second parentheses. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. And then I am going to keep these two parentheses, but this time these parentheses just mean multiplication because I just have a number by itself and another number by itself. So now the next would be exponents, but there are none. So now we're going to multiply or divide, whichever comes first. So 6 times 1 is 6. And now we can add or subtract. In this case, add. So now we want to evaluate the following expression. And you may have an expression that has some numbers, but letters as well, variables. If you are told that the letter is equal to a certain number, all you have to do is replace letter with number. So Z is actually the number 6. So I'll replace Z with the number 6, keep the plus sign. Y is actually the number 2. Keep the other plus sign, keep the other number. Then you apply order of operations. In this case, we just need to add everything together, which gives me 10. So for my second problem, replace the letter Q with the number 6. Keep the symbol the same. Keep the number the same. Keep the plus sign. Now R becomes the number 2. And then P becomes the number 6. Now notice R and P are written together. This is the same thing as R times P with a dot in the between, or R parentheses P. This all means to multiply. So I am going to use a parentheses for my 6 to symbolize that I am going to multiply. And now I'm going to use my order of operations, which says that I must multiply or divide first. So 6 divided by 6 is the number 1. Then I have to multiply again. So 2 times 6 is 12. And then we can add. So the answer would be 13. Now you try. Evaluate the following expressions. Press pause, try and do this problem, and then press play to see if you got the answer correct. Pause your video now. So remember, first replace letter with number, since we know N is equal to 6 and M is equal to 1. Keep all other numbers and operations exactly the same. Then we will apply order of operations. So grouping goes first. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we can do order of exponents. 6 to the second power really means 6 times 6. So that is 36. And then 36 minus 0 is just equal to 36. Again, replace letter with number. So X is equal to the number 7. Y is equal to the number 10. Division 2 minus Z is equal to the number 2. And then Y is equal to the number 10. Then order of operations says we're going to do grouping. Now, these parentheses are the only one that represents grouping. because the parentheses around the 10 and the 7 means multiplication because there's only one number inside the parentheses. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Bring down the 7 for multiplication. Bring down the 2 and the 10. Then the next step is we would multiply. So 7 times 5, I'm going to do it over here. So 7 times 5 is 35. 2 times 10 is 20. And now we would subtract. So 35 minus 20 is 15.